Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Falcon and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for about or between 5 and 10 seconds, I would say. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it, basically until the watch turns off, until the screen goes black. After the screen goes black, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds, and then you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.